Our top news this week. ARRI recently announced a new firmware update for their wireless video system, SUP 4.3.28, adds support for the new wireless video receiver WVR1S. ARRI recommends that users running the previous 4.3.26 firmware on their WVR1S receivers update to the latest firmware. The latest SUP 4.3.28 is shipping with all ARRI wireless video system components from June the 3rd, such as the integrated transmitters inside the Alexa LF and Alexa SXTW cameras, wireless video transmitter WVT1 and the WVR1, in addition to the WVR1S receiver. Somehow DJI managed to sneak in completely under the radar a new aerial cinematography service they are offering under their DJI Studio banner in China. Known as the DJI Storm, the new service includes a beefy aerial cinematography platform with crew available for hire to the TV and film industry. Not many specifics are known at this point, including pricing, but the aerial rental service includes a massive drone that integrates the Ronin 2, capable of flying high-end cinema cameras such as the ARRI Alexa LF and Sony Venice, with a maximum flight time of 15 minutes. The DJI Storm is currently available in China, but at this point we don't know if this service will ever get to Europe or North America. Wooden Camera just announced their shoulder rig version 3 is now shipping. Sporting a major redesign, the latest version 3 is based around the ARRI dovetail, giving users more freedom to make adjustments to suit just about any camera. The Wooden Camera rig version 3 comes with adjustable telescopic arms with a choice of rubber or leather grip handles, additional arm rotation points to widen or narrow grip spacing, a larger and more durable shoulder pad, and an integrated kickstand for sitting the rig down. Version 3 is also natively compatible with the Wooden Camera unified base plates and bridge plates. That's all for this week. We'll be back next week with more news in 90 seconds.